Purok 5 bola mga kababayan. Number 22. Pass to number 7. Ang oras po natin, 9 minutes. Number 10, pupul yung tres. Wala, naribaw ni number 1, Pumira. Wala pa rin. Naribaw ni number 22. For 2 points. Number 17. Number 22 Pumira wala. Now again, number 1, good ball, good. Pass to number 18. Naribaw ni number 7. Pinasa kay number 29. Number 29, wala ang bola. Nakuha ni number 18. Pass to number 1. Number 2, good for good. Number 17, pinasa kay number 1, Sanchez. Pass number 17, Pumig. Pass number 23, Tumira. Wala na rin ni number 29. Good for good. Ang score po namin 4-2 in favor of Purok 5. 4-2 in favor of Purok 5. Number 1, Pedro. Under ball. Who's ball net? Number 7, Sanchez. First personal foul. First team foul. Shooting foul. Para kay number 1. First goal in number 1. Wala. Second goal in number 1. No good. Rebound by number 1, Sanchez. Number 1, pass number 23. Pinasa number 17, out of bounds. Ang oras po natin, 11 minutes and 25 seconds. Number 7, dribbling the ball. Pass number 22. Nawala ang bola. Number 1, pass number 17, dumilandra siya po muna. Good goal to over na po ang score. Number 18. Number 18, pass number 1. Number 1, pass number 18, dumilandra. Good goal to number 18. Number 7, pass number 17. 15 to shoot. Ang shot to get a press. No good. Carry ball to number 10. Pass number 1. Number 1, pass number 7. For 2. No good. Carry ball to number 1. Number 1, Sanchez. Pass number 29. Good for 2. All 6 for ating score. Number 10, dribbling the ball. Pass to number 7. 15 to shoot. Number 7, pass to number 10. For 3. What a 3-pointer. Ball. Nuestra.
Kuya.
Number 17. Pass to number 7. Back to number 17. 10 to shoot. At may foul. Number 10. Pushing foul. Ang score po natin all 6 ay 9-6 pala, 9-6. Sanchez, pass to number 17. Back to Sanchez. Sanchez, thrown by Tumira. Good for 2. Ang score po natin 9-8. Laban po ang Purok 4. Laban pala ang Purok 5. Number 1, pass to number 18. 2 millimeters. Good for 2 points. Number 23. Number 17. 15 to shoot 2 millimeters. No good. Nariwag ni number 1. Number 1, crossover. Back to Nakagaw Sanchez ng nakaputi. Number 1, bounce pass. Number 17, good for 2. Labang na po ng isa ang Proximo. 14 to shoot. Number 10, number 3. Ang score po natin, 14-10 in favor of Proximo. Number 7, Colonel. Pass to number 1, Sanchez, pinasa ilalim number 29. What the background layup by number 29. Number 1. Ang score po natin, 12-14. Lamang pa rin po Proximo. 14 to shoot. Jen, mag-score mo daw. Number 10, pagmula naman ang rest. No good. Same ball. Puro 4 pa lang wala. Bawang isulit po sa mga bata, mag-score daw po kayo. Number 23. Pass to number 17. Tumira ng dos. Good for 2. All 14 na po ang lamang. Parehas lamang all 14. Number 1. Tumira ng dos. Wala na. Rebound ni number 22. Tumira wala pa rin. Rebound pa rin niya. 8 to shoot. Good for 2. Number 23. Pass to number 1, Sanchez. Pass to number 72. Elbow tumira ng dos. Good for 2. Last 2 minutes and 49 seconds. All 16 po ang score. Number 10. Robert Jumam shot. Good for 2 points by number 10. Ang score po natin 18-16 in favor of Proximo. Number 7. 15 to shoot. Sanchez pinasa sa gitna. Wala. Na-rebound ni number 18. Pass number 7. Number 7 nag-iisa. Number 7 nag-iisa. Walang pasasahan. Pass number 18. 16 to shoot. Number 10. Rumag tumira. Good for 2 by number 10. Ang score po natin 20-16 in favor of Proximo. Number 17. 12 to shoot. 17. Pass number 7. Pumula dos. Wala. Number number 23. Good by number 23. Ang oras po natin 1 minute and 45 seconds. At ang score 20-18 in favor of Proximo. Number 7. 10 to shoot. Number 1. Number 1. Pass to number 18. At may foul. Who's foul ulit? Number 7. Ilan? 4 to shoot. Number 7, personal foul. Number 1. Pass to number 7. Number 10. Tsaka pala si number 7. Second ka na. Second ka na, girls. 14 seconds. Ang oras po natin, 1 minute and 9 seconds. At ang score, 20-18 in favor of Proximo. Number 10, tumira ng 3. Wala, na-rebound ni Sanchez, number 1. Sanchez, number 1. Pass number 23, tumira, wala. Last, 57 seconds. Na-rebound ni number 10. Nakakuha naman, ni number 29. At may foul, who's foul then? Number 18. Holding foul. Number 18, first personal foul. Second, team foul. Number 17, pass number 7. Na-around in number 1. Last 14 seconds. Number 1, pass to number 7. Tumira ng dos. Wala, na-rebound ni Gibbs. Last 25 seconds. Sanchez, pinasa number 23, good for 2. Last 25 seconds. Last 25 seconds. Last 19 seconds. 11 to shoot. Last 10 seconds. 8 to shoot. 6 to shoot. Number 1, tumira. Basa na lamang po ang maririnig niyo. Uy! Ang score po natin all 20. Parehas lamang. Back to the ball game. Back to the ball game po mga kaibigan. Ang score po natin parehas 20. Second quarter na po. Number 38, inbounding the ball. Pass to number 17. Pass to number 49. Back to number 17. Tumulong ng 3. Number 8, pass to number 3. Number 8, dribbling the ball. 15 to shoot. Number 8, pass. Naabaw at may ball. Who's ball na? Number 15. Number 15, first personal foul. Number 17, Greto bola ng 29. Number 29, drive, take, shoot it, no good. Rebound by number 3. Number 3, pass to number 8. Pass to number 15. Number 15, pull up. Number 17, drive, take, kick, ball, tayo mga kaibigan. Purok 5 ang bola. At ang score, 20-23, lamang ang Purok 4. Number 3, pass to number 8. Number 8, 15 to shoot. Number 8, 10 to shoot. Naaraw ni number 38. Number 38, pinatawa kay number 13. Nakuha ni Nelson. At may foul by number 17. First personal foul, first team foul. Ang oras po natin 8 minutes and 20 seconds. Number 3, Pino ba? Wala na, rebound hindi ba? Number 38, pass to number 17, pull up number, at may foul. Nagmula kay number 8, number 8, first personal foul. Second team foul. Ang oras. First draw, good. Ang oras po natin, 7 minutes and 8 seconds. Last shot. Wala pa rin. 1 out of 1. Number 29, good for 2. Lawang na po ng anim. Ang Purok. 4, 20-24. Number 24, pass to number 8, Luna Brumay, pinasa ng 23, tumira wala. 40 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Number 24 tumira. Wala. Nakuha ni number 29. Kuya Pedro tumira. Who's called Rev? Rev, who's called? Number 24, basket down. Number 24, first personal foul, second team foul. Number 20, the ball shot, not good. The rebound is number 8. Number 24, unmade foul. Dengan mula ay number 71. Substitution, right? Pasok. Kuya Benjo, labas ka muna. Chong Eli Boy, labas ka muna. Number, game na rin. Number 71, first personal foul, second team foul. Number 8, pass number 24, back to number 8. For 3, no good. Rebound by number 3. 2 na nagkasuwala, 10 to shoot. Number 23. Please, Ivy, 28 yan. Sana Puro, 5. Ivy, 28. 28, yan. Ang official score po natin, 28-20 in favor of Puro 4. At ang nalalabing oras, 6 minutes and 42 seconds. Wah, sino po? Puro 5 ang bola. Hindi. Puro 4 pala. Number 23. Dribbling the ball. Pass to number 1. Nakuha ulit. 15 to shoot. Number 1 pass number 22. Good for 2 points by Levi. Ang oras po natin 6 minutes and 21 seconds. Number 8. 14 to shoot. Take 3. Drive. Number 23 no good. On may foul. Substitution next. Number 15, second personal foul. Number 1. 5 minutes and 54 seconds. 15 to shoot. Number 1. Pass to number 22. Good for 2 points. Number 8, pass to number 10. Shout out kay Stephen. Maring to 10. Number 10. 14 to shoot. Number 8. Pass to number 10. 10 to shoot for 3. Number 1. Pass number 32. Number 22. Ang oras po natin 5 minutes and 11 seconds. 15 to shoot. Number 23. Pinasa kay Tatang. Number 71 wala. Nawari number 8. Number 8. Pass number 10. 15 to shoot. Number 10. Pass to number 8 for 3. No good. No rebound si number 1. Number 1. Pass to number 38. 15 to shoot. Number 38. Pass number 71. Ang magla. 11 to shoot. 6 to shoot. 3 to shoot. Substitution red. Same ball pa. 1 to shoot. 1 to shoot. 1 to shoot. 21 shot clock violation. Number 3 fouling the ball. Number 3. Pinasay number 10. 4 minutes and 4 seconds. 14 to shoot. Number 10. 10 to shoot. Pass number 3. Pula. Wala. Rebound number 1. Tumira. Wala. Number 1. Bumay. Tumira. Number 28. Number 25. Take. 15 to shoot. Number 1. Behind the back pass. Now number 22. Wala. Rebound number 8. Ginagawa number 2. Number 3. Easy 2 points by number 3. Ang score po natin 25-32 in favor of Puraquato. Number 1, wala. 10 to shoot. Time out, Puro. 4. Ref, who's foul, ref? Ref, who's foul? Ang oras po natin. Ang oras po natin, 3 minutes and 2 seconds. At ang score, 25-32 in favor of Puro 4. 3 minutes and 2 seconds. Wow, good ball game. Last 3 minutes and 2 seconds. Ang score po natin, 25-32 in favor of Puro 4. Number 1, Sanchez. Number 1, pass number 17. 10 to shoot. Number 1. Pinasa sa ilalim. Nakagaw ni number 10. Number 10, kalmado. Binigay ni number 8. At may foul na nagmula kay number 38. 38. First personal foul, second team foul. Last 2 minutes and 41 seconds. Number 10. Floater. No good. Sorry, Bobby. Number 22. Pinagawa number 17. Bumangga. Pinasa. At hindi nakuha. Last 2 minutes and 25 seconds. Oh, man. Ang score po natin 32-25 in favor of Puro 4. At ang oras 2 minutes and 26 seconds. Number 8. Number 8 dribbling the ball. 16 to shoot. Number 1, pass to number 10. Faith. Tumira. Puro 4 na ang bola. Number 17. Nagbababa ng bola. Levi. Lumay at lumay bola. Isa kanya pa rin. Now number 30. Number 1. Floater. No good. Naribon ni number 8. Binano. By number 1 at may foul. Pushing foul by number 17. Second personal foul. Third team foul. Number 8. Oras po natin 1 minute and 50 seconds. Number 1. Tumira. Wala na rin dito Sanchez. At may foul. Darang mula kay number 1 na Purok 5. Warning for penalty. Sanchez. Pass to number 17. 16 to shoot. Pinasa sa ilalim. Tumira. Wala na rebound ni number 18. Last 1 minute and 13 seconds. Number 1. No look pass to number 22. Wala. Na rebound ni number Bawal ni number 1 ng Purok 5 tumira. Wala ba? At may foul na naman. Husband na number 22. Penalty po na. Penalty na tayo. Ang oras po natin 51 seconds. At ang score 25-32. Last 51 seconds. First draw, di number 23. Wala. Number 22 pala yun. Sorry po. Second draw, di number 22. Wala. Naribang di number 18. Last 50 seconds. Number 18 through 5. No good. Single ang hatol ng referee. Last 44 seconds. Ang score, 25-32 in favor of Purok 1. Number 2, back number 1, with a foul. Number 22, Levi. Penalty for Levi, second personal foul. Last 40 seconds. Last 40 seconds. Karibang din number 22. Tumira na bola. Number 18. Tumira wala. Last 33 seconds. Last 33 seconds. Pasa number 7 tumira. Good for 2. Last 25 seconds. Number 10. Last 19 seconds. 15 to shoot. Last 14 seconds. 10 to shoot. Basag na lamang po ang maririnig nyo. 4 to shoot. Wala po ang wala. Wala na po ang oras. Ba, good ball game. Ang score po natin 34-25 in favor of Purok 1. Number 1, pass number 22. Back to number 1. Lumea, wala. Naribang number. At may foul na nagmula kay number 1. Number 1, second personal foul. First team foul. Number 22, pass number 17. Pass to number 7. Back to number 17. Umulang daw. Wala. Naribang ng number 18. Number 1, 15 to shoot. Number 10, pass number 22. Back to number 10. 10 to shoot. Pull up jumper. No good. Rebound number 23. Number 17. Easy for 2 points. Number 10. Leading the ball. 15 to shoot. Number 1. 10 to shoot. Number 1 for 3. No good. Number 22. Pass number 24. Back to number 10. 16 to shoot. Number 10. Floater. No good. at may foul. Number 18. Number 18 na. Already second personal foul. Second team foul. Number 23. Pass to number 7. Pass to number 29. 10 to shoot. Maraming violation by number 29. Last 7 minutes and 59 seconds. Number 1. Pass to. Save game po tayo mga kaibigan. Ang score po natin 34-25 in favor of Puro 4. 36-25. Number 1. Pass to number 18. Pass to number 10. To make. 15 to shoot. Number 18. 2 Mirandos. Wala. Naribon na ulit. Easy. 2 points by number 18. Number 7. Number 17. Number 17. 15 to shoot. Number 29. Tigas sa ilalim na wala ang bola. 10 to shoot. Number 17. Floater wala. Naribang na number 22. Ang oras po natin 7 minutes and 1 second. Nawala ang bola na nakuha ang Dimay. Easy 2 points by Dimay. Last 6 minutes and 49 seconds. Ang score po natin 38-27 in favor of Puro 4. 10 to shoot. Number 10 for 3. No good na rebound ni. Nakuha substitution na Dimay out. Sanchez in. Gapak na. Pasok na po. Umbag. Number 1. 6 minutes and 20 seconds. Number 7. Number 1. Number 24. Tumira. Wala.
Anong quarter na?
Puro 5 ang bola. Number 1. Pass to number 10 for 3. No good. Rebound in number 7. Bilang kami number 17. Single po tayo. Sabi ng ating referee. Ang oras po natin 5 minutes and 35 seconds. 5 minutes and 30 seconds. Number 17. Pass to number 23. Pumulan 3. No. Naribang with Sanchez number 7. At may foul by number 10. Foul by number 10. Second personal foul, second team foul. Number 29 first throw. Good. Ang oras po natin 5 minutes and 1 second. Number 29, last throw. Wala. Substitution na. Number 1 out. Number 18. Ang score po natin 39-27 in favor of Puro 4. Number 8, reading the ball. 14 to shoot. Number 8, Tumira wala. Kasa kanya ulit. Good ball. 4 minutes and 45 seconds. Number 1, 15 to shoot. 4 minutes and 33 seconds. Naagaw ni number 7. Number 7, pass to number 8. Number 8, bumali pa. Last 4 minutes and 19 seconds. Number 29. Harapan by number 8. Number 9, Sam Dumir ng 3. Nariba na kanya kakampi. Ngunit wala pa rin. 10. Number 18. Pass to number 8. Pumukul ng 3. Last 3 minutes and 55 seconds. Number 17. Nakakuha ng number 10. Number 10 pass number 8. 2 minutes and dot. Good. Last 3 minutes and 40 seconds. Number 29 at may foul. Number 8. Third personal foul, 13 foul. Ang score po natin, 36-39. Lamang pa rin po, 4. Last 3 minutes and 33 seconds. Sanchez, pass to number 23. Pass to number 17. 15 to shoot. Pinasa sa labas, number 1. 10 to shoot. At may team number 24. Now, on number 8. Easy, defense by number 8. Isa na lamang po ang kalamangan ng puro 4. 39-50. 3 minutes and 10 seconds. Bola. Stable po ang ako ng referee. 38-39. Figure of puro 4. Number 17. Pass to number 7. Pass to number 23. Bukul ng 3. No good na. Rebound to number 18. Pass to number 10. Pass to number 24. Pass to number 8. 2 minutes and 39 seconds. Number 8, bukul ng number 8. Wala. Rebound to number 7. Pass to number 1. Number 1 nagmamalagay. Number 1 bumubog. Number 1 pagpili ng gas. Pasa pa na yun. Good. May number 29. Substitution rin. Number 7. 15 to shoot. Number 10 from downtown. No good. Number 17. What a pass from number 1 15 to shoot. 1 minute and 45 seconds. Number 29. Pull up number no good. The rebound to number 10. Number 10. Number 24. Number 24, jumper 2-4-2. Umang na po ng isa ang puro 4. Ang score, 41-40 in favor ng puro 4. Number 17, pasa number 1, 15 to shoot. Number 1, nakuha ni number 7, pasa number 7 to the middle of the test. No, good na, rebound number 1. 5 to shoot. Good ball, left. Number 18, third personal foul. Warning, 4 penalty. Lamang po ng dalawa, ang puro 4. 42-40. Sampu tayo pag-shoot. Wala. Number 8. Last 1 minute. Number 10. Tumira. Good for 2. Last 50 seconds. Number 17. Number 4. 15 to shoot. Last 41 seconds. Number 29. Foul by number 18. Penalty for number 18. Fourth personal foul penalty. Penalty rin. Ang score mo natin 42-44. Ito puro 4. First row, wala. Last 38 seconds. 44-42. Lamang puro 4. Last 38 seconds. Number 29. Now on ulit. Now on number 17. Number 17. Last 34 seconds. 2 minutes left. Number 10. Last 25 seconds. Now on number 29. Number 29. Pass number 17. Wala. 19 seconds. Wala na pong shot clock. 15 seconds. 12 seconds. 9 seconds. 5 seconds. Last 4 seconds. Basa na lamang po ang maririnig. 4 seconds. At may foul. Tatlong turo para kay number 7. Number 7. One point 2 seconds.
Uy, isa pa. Mag-ipitas nga pala yung tres. Yung sino ba ginagawa?
Score 47-42. Favor of 47-42. Lamang ang Poro 4.
Dapat na kami dalawa lang nalagarap dito eh.
Back to the ball game. Bola, puro 4.
Ayun pala yung ano.
Number 1 for the rebound. Pass to number 17. Number 17 pass to number 23. Number 23 ako papasabi kay number 17. Number 17 back to number 29. Number 29. Wala. Now on number 24. Number 24 pass to number 1. Number 1 magmamadalas din number 1. Number 1 crossover kay number 23. Number 23 na butaka lamang. Nakuha ni number 17. Number 7 crossover. Number 17 nagbababa ng bola. Binigyan number 29. Number 29 wala. Nakuha ni number 3. Number 3 pass to number 24. Number 24 naglahat ng papasahan. Binigyan number 1. 10 to 15 seconds to shoot. Number 10. Number 10 crossover. Wala. Nakuha ni number 1. Binigyan number 17. Number 17 wala pa rin. Number 17 binigyan. Masyadong malakas ang pasa. Ulit po. Number 1, dribble the ball. Ang oras po natin ay 8 minutes and 53 seconds. 17 seconds to shoot. Number 1, pass to number 10. Number 10 tumingin ng 3. Basket. Number 1, dribble the ball. Ang score po natin ay 47-45. In favor of Puro 4. Easy basket. Ang score po natin ay 49-45. Substitution. Number 24 out. Number 23. Number 1. Pass to number 17, number 17. Tapos, nakuha ni number 23, number 23. Pass to number 10, number 10. Nagmamadali, binigyan number 22, number 22. Pass to number 1. 2 ball. Ay, number 1. Nakuha ni number 1. Number 1. Number 1. Dribble the ball. Number 1. At nakakuha ng ball. Number 38, passing number 17, number 17, binigay number 29, 10 seconds to shoot, binigay nakuha, easy 2 points. Nakakalap ng papasahan, binigay number 22, number 22, dribbling the ball, number 22. Nawawala ang bola, binigay number 10, 10 seconds to shoot, number 10, 8 seconds to shoot. Passing number 22, 4 seconds na lamang po. 2 balls. Nagahan ng papasahan, binigay na ako. Number 1. Number 1 ako, number 17, number 17 magpapadali. Number 17, passing number 22, number 22. Free ang nakakuha ng foul. Number 2. Second personal foul. Second team foul.
Ay, pinasang ko yung ano niya yung bola.
Unang pagbubuslog, number 22. Wala. Jumpers ready. Pangalawang pagbubuslog. Pasok na po. Number 3, passing number 1. Number 1. Good to go. Ang oras mo naman ay 6 minutes and 58 seconds. Number 1, moving the ball, passing number 22. Number 22, crossover. Binigay kay number 3, number 3. Nagpapapasahan, binigay kay number 10, number 23. Wala. Rebound kay number 22, passing number 30. Number 1, nagpapapasahan. 2 balls by number 1. Time out. Proxito.
Ang score po natin, 54-49 in favor of Purok 4. Tama yan. Wow! Ano po, ang oras po natin, 6 minutes and 28 seconds.
Ano?
Labang po ng 5 ang Purok 4. Number 22, pass on number 1. Number 1, dribbling the ball. 15 to shoot. Pumuli ang tres. Dalawang lamang po ang kalamangan. Ang Purok 4. Number 7, pull-up jumper, real good. Rebound number 3. Pass to number 10. Number 10, tumira direct, tumira. Benta na po. Number 29. Tumira, wala ba? Number 23, number 23. All good before, ang score. Number 10. 10 to shoot. Number 10, dalawa na po ang lamang ng Purok 5. Last 5 minutes and 32 seconds. 5 minutes and 30 seconds. Sa pagkukulat, number 23 out number 83. Ang score po natin, 56-54 in favor ng Purok 4. Number 22. pass to number 1. Alda. Pass to number 16 to shoot under foul. Number 38, pushing foul. Number 38, third personal foul, third team foul. Substitution red. Number 3 out. Number 24 in. Last 5 minutes and 6 seconds, 15 to shoot. Number 21, number 4. Number 10 to shoot. Number 18. Number 1. Diretso to Mira. Deadlock na naman po sa 56 ang score. Number 1. 4 minutes and 45 seconds. 15 to shoot. 10 to shoot. 6 to shoot. Number 25 to Mira. Wala na naman 18. Same ball. Oras po namin, 4 minutes and 21 seconds. 14 seconds.
Saan na lang kayo? Uy, hindi ko kasama kayo. Uy, hindi pa naman.
Substitution red. Kami ako number 8. Number 29. First personal foul. Second team foul. Bonus from number 8. Wala. At na-rebound ang number 1. Grabe violation. Oras po natin 3 minutes and 56 seconds. Number 17. Harapin ka naman. At may foul number 1. Number 1. Third personal foul. Third team foul. Last 3 minutes and 52 seconds. 3 minutes and 52 seconds. 58, 56 in favor of 5. Sanchez na namin ang live. Full ball. $18 seconds. Shot clock po, mga kaibigan. Number 17. 50 to shoot. Puro 5 po ang bola. Last 3 minutes and 45 seconds. Substitution red. Number 23 in. Number 38 out. Last 3 minutes and 45 seconds. Ang score 58-56 in favor of Puro 5. Number 8. 15 to shoot. Pass number 23. 23! Very good! Narinig number 23. Di na po nawala ang awak na doon. Dito na rin sa hindi nito. Deadlock po sa 58 ang score. Last 3 minutes and 15 seconds. 3 minutes and 14 seconds. Number 8. 15 to shoot. Stay full.
Defense!
14 seconds to shoot. Number 1, pass to number 8. Tumira wala. Number 20, binato. Number 17. Number 17, pass to number 1. 16 to shoot. Tumira. By number 1. Ang score po natin, 60-58 in favor of Puro 4. At ang oras, 2 minutes and 40 seconds. Number 1, 15 to shoot. Number 10, to be like the rest. Lamang 4 ng isa. Ang Purok 5. 61-60. Kyrie, umalis ka dyan. Kyrie. Oras, 2 minutes and 25 seconds. Ang oras po natin, 2 minutes and 25 seconds. 2 minutes and 25 seconds. Number 29. Pass to number 22. 15 to shoot. Tumira. Shoot for 2. Number 24. Pass to number 1. 4 minutes and 10 seconds. 15 to shoot. 12 to shoot. Number 1. Pass to number 8. 9 to shoot. Down. Number 8 to foul. Number 1, Sanchez. Last 2 minutes.
Isarap ko. Buko ko kasi.
Fourth quarter na po ito. All 62 points gone. Last 2 minutes. Number 8, tuloy na. Move to 2. Lumabot ng isa. Number 17. Last 1 minute and 49 seconds. 1 minute and 45 seconds. Number 22. Sumalpak. Tumira. Good for 2. Last 1 minute and 25 seconds. Lamang po ng isa. Ang Purok 4. 64-63. 14 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Number 8, pass number 10. 7 to shoot. 5 to shoot. Tumira ng 3. What a beautiful goal by number 8. Number 22. Number 1. Tumira. Number 22, Tumira. Last 1 minute. Number 8. Tumira. Number 1. Last 53 seconds. Last 53 seconds. Last 53 seconds. Lamang po ng dalawa. Ang Purok 5. 66-64 in favor of Purok 5. Last 53 seconds. Last 53 seconds. 53 seconds. Wow, to the ball. Last 53 seconds, mga players. Ang mga players, last 53 seconds lang ha. Shoutout kay Marty Kausarin. Wala ka pag-shirt ka. Number 1, pass number 3. Number 7, last 45 seconds. 39 seconds. Lamang po ng isang klapo. 67-66. Last 33 seconds. Shot clock po. 16 to shoot. Number 3. Number 9. At may foul. You found it. Number 17. Third personal foul. Warning for penalty. Ang score po natin, 66-67 in favor of Purok 4. At ang oras ng reality, 26 seconds. First row. Break lang na po sa 66 at sa 67. Deadlock na po sa 67 ang ating score. Last 26 seconds. Second throw. Lamang na penalty sa Purok 5. 68-67. Last 26 seconds. Last 26 seconds. 68-67. Pasok po. Tanay Puro. 3 out of 3 sa free throw. Ang score po natin, 69-67 in favor of Purok 5. At ang oras, 26 seconds. 26 seconds. 26 seconds po ang oras. Makaka-sigilan. Inuulit po ang oras. Last 26 seconds. 26 seconds. At ang score, 69-67 in favor of Purok 5. Last 26 seconds. 26 seconds. And one. Ikaw na rin. Pasok na rin yung 26 seconds na. Pasok na rin. 24 seconds. Deadlock po sa 69. Last 24 seconds. Number 22. Very strong. Wala. Sekarang bagi number 1. Pasal number 24. Last 18 seconds. Timeout Puro 4 at ang oras na natitira 18 seconds. Last 18 seconds. Ang score po natin deadlock sa 69 or 69. 18 segundo na lang po ang natitira. Down. Dito 18 segundo ang natitirang oras. 18 segundo. Inuulit po. 18 segundo. Or 69. Number 1. Pass number 20. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. Pass number 22. 2 minutes. Wala. 3 seconds. 1 second. Wala na po. Wala na natira. Overtime po ang bigat na kalaro. Overtime po. Overtime mga kaibigan. OT1. Shoutout po sa mga fans ng Purok 4 at Purok 5. Napakalupit niyo. Overtime po ang binagsakan. Deadlock po sa 69. May tigisang timeout po ang ating team.
Adam, ilan yung ilang oras? 5 minutes lang.
Continuous po ang penalty na may tigisang timeout ang both team.
Rep, ano?
Last 5 minutes
5 minutes.
or 69. Number 8, incoming the ball. The clock is start.
5 minutes.
Number 8, pass number 10. 16 to shoot. Number 8, pass number 1. Back number 8. Pull up the by Green. The rebound Green. Number 7, pass to number 1. 4 minutes and 39 seconds. 15 to shoot. Number 1 to win the ball. Gary Barbi. Sito ang bola sa hamon ng referee. 4 minutes and 32 seconds. Number 10. Pass to number 8. Luna. 16 to shoot. Pass to number 1. Number 1. Player. Wala na ang Barbi. 4 po ang bola. Last 4 minutes and 17 seconds. 4 minutes and 17 seconds. All 69 po ang score. 16 to shoot. Number 1, 15 to shoot. Number 22, 10 to shoot. 3 seconds violation. Number 22. Ang oras po natin, 4 minutes and 1 second. Number 24. Number 24, pass to number 8. Pass to number 10. Pula, Pape, last 3 minutes and 48 seconds. 3 minutes and 39 seconds. 15 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Dari bagian number 10 na Purasino. Tidak salah Purasino. Pasal number 18. Tidak salah beri. Last 3 minutes and 25 seconds. 3 minutes and 25 seconds. Gamang bola berdua Purasino. Number 20 pasal number 9. Pasal number 9. Dari bagian last 3 minutes and 50 seconds. At may time. Nalagula ay number 22. Continuous penalty po. Number 21 Nibay. Third personal foul. Penalty. Last 3 minutes and 13 seconds. 3 minutes and 14 seconds. Mga kaibigan. First off. Wala. Labang po lang dalawa ang Purasino. 71-69. Nahawak po ang Purasino ang kailangan. Last 3 minutes and 13 seconds. Rebound by number 1, Sanchez. Pass to number 17. 16 to shoot. Number 20 to Villa. Wala. Nahuli. Turun 2 po ang bola. Last 2 minutes and 52 seconds. Number 1, rebounding the ball. Last 2 minutes and 52 seconds. Number 20, now. Good for 2. Number 4, deadlock na naman po sa 71 ang ating score. Last 2 minutes and 39 seconds. 2 minutes and 35 seconds. 14 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Number 1. Pagkakalayan at may foul. Who's pilot? Number 18. Contagious penalty po yan. Substitution na. Number 18. First running number 1, Sanchez. So, last 2 minutes and 25 seconds. Last running number 1, Gary Barbi. Kaya pa rin ang limang. Last 2 minutes and 21 seconds. Maraming violation na kulangan sa 29. Substitution red. Number 7 out. Number 23. Last 2 minutes and 10 seconds. 15 to shoot. Number 10 to shoot. Number 8, 21 and the rest. Wala, number 20. Number 29. Number 20 naman mga muli. Pinasa natin 17. Last 1 minute and 22 seconds. Number 17. Basket out. Rebound from number 22. Second personal foul penalty. Score po natin 74-71. Ike puro 4. Bonus shot ni number 17. Wala. Karibang Dino. On the break. Tatlo lamang po ang lamang. Biwag na ba? 10 seconds to shoot. At ang kanyang foul. Number 22. 1 minute and 31 seconds. Last 1 minute and 31 seconds. Gamlipay, number 22, pero personal foul. Apat ka na, Libay. Last 1 minute and 32 seconds. Dalawa lang po ang lamang. Napura-pura mo. 74-72. Dalawa number 29. Pass to number 1. 15 to shoot. Pinasa sa ilalim ni Libay. Tuloy na dos. Wala. Wala pa rin ang Libay. Tuloy na wala. Ano ba yan sa Libay? Number 8. Ang bawang ng ball. Last 1 minute and 10 seconds. Number 8. 14 to shoot. Last 1 minute and 1 second. Number 7. Ang score po natin 76-72. Last 55 seconds. 55 seconds. Number 12 to shoot. At may foul score niya. Number 23. First personal foul penalty. Ang oras po natin, last 44 seconds at ang score 76-72. Ito puro 4. Pasok ang uwi. Last 44 seconds. 44 seconds.
Jamir!
Last one in number 1. Pasok ang left number 1.
Kumay, talo ka na.
Last 42 seconds. Number 10. Tumira. Wala. Number 22. Pasok sa second. Last 24 seconds. Number 219. Tumira na dos. Ang oras po natin 28. Yung mga bata po dyan, pakikuha ng bola. Last 28 seconds. 28 seconds. 28 seconds. Magkikuyo po sa mga bata, pakikuha po ng bola.
Sila po si Jacob.
Ang score po natin 78-72. Hindi ko na po na 4. Pakikuha po sa mga bata, pakikuha po ng bola. Last 28 seconds. Last 28 seconds. 28 seconds. Yung bola pa, pakikuha po ng bola. Mga bata, hello. Last 28 seconds. 78-72. Hindi ko na po na 4. Number 10. Pawit mo po ng bola.
Adam! Defense! Defense! Baliktad pa ako.
Go, Jen. Kunin mo na yan.
Yung mga bola.
Ayan, si Jeffrey.
Ay na po si Ratman.
Ano muna tayo? Patalas tayo. Patalas tayo. Ayun na.
Ayan na po.
Wow! Sino po? Last 28 seconds. Shoutout po kay Jay Chavez. Last 28 seconds. Number 8. Tumira na 3. Wala na rin number 1. Last 21 seconds at may foul. Number 3. Number 3, third personal foul. Last 21 seconds. At ang score po natin, 78-72. Lamang po ang puro konatro ng Adi. Good point. Last 21 seconds. 21 seconds. Last one is Sanchez. Number 10. Last 18 seconds. Tumira ng 3. Good for 2. At pala 3. At may foul. Lamang po ng lima. Ang puro 4. Last 12 seconds. Wala na po siya track. Last 12 seconds. 12 seconds. Wala na po tayo sa kaya. Lamang po ng 5. Ang puro 4. Last 12 seconds. Number 3. Pass to number 8. 10 seconds. Tumira na